guys, and welcome back to Ivy and Skin. If you're just tuning in for the first time, like you just mistakenly stumbled on this channel, boy, you're welcome. Okay, it's not by chance you stumbled on this channel. Okay, and my old subscribers, new subscribers, you guys are awesome. You guys are welcome. Compliments of the season. I have this nutritional, like, it's so nutritious. Oh my goodness. And just to tell you how nutritious it is, I'm going to put on the screen to show you the benefit of each and every ingredient, just so you have an idea how nutritious this product, this food, actually it's a food, but it does so much for your skin. Trust me, when you want your skin to glow, it has to be healthy from inside. If your skin is not healthy inside, that's when you have patches, that's when you have acne, that's when wrinkles come in, all this bad stuff, discoloration, hormonal imbalance can make your skin discolored. Okay, so having a glowing skin, a healthy skin, and be healthy and strong inside, it has to be like a conscious effort. I tell you. So I want to introduce you to this product. See this one here? This powder stuff. Do you know what's inside? I have fresh tomatoes, strawberry, beetroot, carrot, and orange peel, and dates as well inside. Yeah, that's what is inside this powder. See how small it is? This small quantity you see here is so how many tomatoes? Okay, 6 tomatoes, 4 carrots, 2 beetroots. And when I take it most times like my breakfast. This is like the only thing I take in the morning. I take like a glass full of water. When I take that, then I take this mix. I eat it like that. You can add it to your pap, but if you must add it to your pap, do not add milk. You can add it to your smoothie. Trust me, this will fill you up because of the oats. The oats swell, so it will like fill you up. Okay, but I advise do not add milk to it. Milk and tomato acidity does not go together. It's going to make you bloat, and it's going to cause acidity in your stomach. You wouldn't want that. So if you must do the oats, you can take only the oats, then you add your milk. But if you must add this, do not add milk, please, because of the tomatoes and the carrots. Now I'm going to give you guys an idea. I won't tell you how I do it. I won't tell you how you do it. So now the catch here is this. If you want to learn how to make this, hit me up. Hit me up on my WhatsApp number, which I'm going to put on the screen there. Hit me up my WhatsApp. Hit me up my DM on Instagram. Hit me up on YouTube here. Or no, just my DM on Instagram and my WhatsApp number. Tell me you want to make this holy food, and I'll get back to you. Trust me. So let me show you how I mix them up and eat it. Okay? Let me just show you. Drying of your fruits and vegetables is something that has been practiced since the ancient time for centuries. Our forefathers did it. Even the Western world, this is one way they use in preserving their vegetables and fruits, because during the winter when there's no agriculture, nothing grows, so they preserve their fruits and vegetables this way. And with that, for instance, 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C is equivalent to 30 oranges, and your daily requirement for vitamin C is 1,000 milligrams, right? So now tell me, if you want to take oranges, can you take 30 oranges per day? You can't even try that for 2 days, because it will irritate your bowels, because the acidity level is too high. You will have runny tummy, honestly. So they had to be smart to compress it and get it concentrated into 1000 milligrams. That way you can even take 3000 milligrams and not have any irritable bowels. So that's the same thing that's happening. For instance, if you take 30 tomatoes and you dry them and grind them, it would be like equivalent to probably like 3 to 4 spoons, and you can consume that in one day. Yeah, you can consume 4 spoons of tomatoes in one day. But imagine if it was fresh, you won't be able to consume it. So, yes, this is one way you can incorporate your vegetables and your fruits into your diet and get your required daily amount. And it's so medicinal. Trust me, guys, like vegetables and fruits helps in prevention of so many terminal diseases, so many ailments, heart, stroke, blood pressure, you name it, dementia, anemia, like they're just cancer. So you can prevent so many diseases when you start consuming your vegetables and your fruit this way. And the shelf life is something like 1 year to 2 years. You can preserve it for that long. Honestly, you can put it in your soups, in your sauce, in your smoothies. You can eat it like you can just take a spoonful and put in your mouth and go. That's it. And the best way to consume this vegetables and fruit is like first thing in the morning, maybe not first thing, but on an empty stomach. That way, no food or anything will affect the digestive process of these vegetables, because they are quite, well, I say their nutrients are quite gentle. So when you don't eat any strong, heavy food and the digestive process starts, it doesn't affect the fruits and the vegetables. So it's best to consume them on an empty stomach. That way you reap all the nutritional benefits of your fruits and your vegetables. So yes, this is how I consume mine. And trust me, even with kids too, this is the secret of how you can put vegetable powders and fruits to feed your children. We all know that children doesn't like fruit. They don't like to take vegetable and fruit. My daughter doesn't like it. But this is how I put it in a smoothie. I put it in a pap and I give to her. Sometimes I just take a spoon and put and give to her. Because of the dates, it's sweet. Because of the pineapple, it's sweet. And it's a natural sugar. That's why it even helps with preventing diabetes. So guys, if you can start incorporating your vegetables and your fruit like this, you will save yourself a lot of ailment, money, and look healthy, and your skin will glow. This is how, when they make all these organic pills for glutathione whitening and all that, they do it this way. This is one of the tricks they do by incorporating them into supplements for us to take. So with my supplement and taking my veggies and fruit like this, wow. Look, I cannot begin to tell you when last I had any ailment or anything, but please try this out. Just give yourself challenge of 1 month and try this out. There's so many fruits and vegetables you can do like this. You can dry, and just the same way you do your plantain flour, you do your corn flour, you do your what they call it, yam flour, poundo, and all that. It's the same process. Dry the fruits, grind them. So don't mind me when I say I will not teach you. Of course, it's a very easy thing to just dry your fruits. Dry them. Dry your vegetables, cabbage, apples, banana, pineapple, mangoes, beetroot, carrots. The list is endless. Even your ugu, your moringa, your ginger powder, it's the same process. Guys, I would love for you to try this and you will be so glad you did. So let me show you how one of the ways I eat mine, okay? Let's go straight to it. So some of the benefits of beetroot for skin, hair, and your general health is prevent signs of aging, moisturizes dry skin, promotes hair growth, improves liver function, reduces inflammation, help prevent cancer, improves stamina, prevents dementia, lowers blood pressure, helps with curing arthritis, combats anemia, and controls diabetes as well. Orange peel powder can be used to make orange peel tea. Yes, people consume it as a tea. It helps in increasing your metabolism and improves energy and stamina. Drinking orange peel tea is one of the most effective way to increase metabolism. You can use it for baking, you can use it for your skin. Orange tea, you can eat them raw, and you can use them for orange cookies and sweet bars as well. So these are just some of the uses. Orange peel, lemon peel are still the same thing. They contain the same nutrients and have the same benefit. So you can read through this. Just pause the video and read through this so you can get to know more about the usage and the benefits of orange lemon peel. Some of the benefits of oatmeal includes lowers blood sugar level, provide antioxidant, promotes healthy bacteria in your gut, helps you to feel full to manage your weight and eating habit. It eases constipations and relieves skin itching and irritation as well. It actually does more, even helps with prevention of cancer as well. So you can do more research on that to get more info. Carrot improves your vision, muscular degeneration, anti-aging, healthy glowing skin, a powerful antiseptic, prevent heart disease, cleanses the body, healthy teeth and gums, prevents stroke and cancer prevention, and makes your skin glow swell. Some of the benefits of dates include it helps in erectile dysfunction, it boosts the sperm count, it prevents anemia, arthritis, cystitis, acidity, and diarrhea. Like anemia, for instance, is a loss of strength that in turn affects performance in men in bed, which may lead to infertility. In women, it eases delivery during labor. Eating dates daily helps to improve your skin complexion, nourishes your hair, helps to reduce weight, improve your digestion, and act as a brain booster. Google for more info. So yes, soybean, if you love soybean, there's good news. It's truly a superfood. It offers tremendous health benefits when incorporated into your regular diet. It's inexpensive, high quality vitamin and mineral rich plant protein with lots of soluble fiber. It's a plant based omega 3 fatty acid and a wealth of disease fighting phytonutrients. The health benefits include anti cancer, appetite suppressant, may help prevent hot flashes, promotes bone health, reduces risks of heart disease. And the nutrients contain alpha lipoic acid, ascorbic acid, vitamins B carotene, beta carotene, glutathione, B vitamins, lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E. And they use it for loss of whitening pills as well. So some of the benefits of tiger nuts includes it improves digestion. It contains high fiber that keeps your body in shape. Tiger nut is also a substitute for cow milk. It's a good source of magnesium. It contains a very high source of vegetable protein. It's used to control diabetes. It reduces blood sugar levels, improves the heart's health. It boosts the immune system. It helps fight infection. It acts like an aphrodisiac medicine for men who have used. They use tiger nuts to treat for generation to treat erectile dysfunction. It increases sperm count and boosts sexual libido. Okay. So this is the way I consume mine. I sometimes put it with my pap. Sometimes I even take the oats mix by itself. And when I want to mix it with the tomato carrot mix, I just mix it just like this, and I put in a plate. It depends on, I mean, there's no exact measurement for this. You just take as much as you want. Like I say, most times I take this as my breakfast. I take a full glass of water first thing in the morning. Then I take this fruit vegetable mix. Okay? And let's give it a name. Okay, let's give it a name. I just call it the fruit vegetable mix, but we could give it a name, and that could work. So yeah, And most times I add turmeric, but I mean, not everybody will like the taste of turmeric, but even myself, I just put it once in a while. So this is optional. And like I say, there's no exact measurement to this. You can take as much as you want because this is food. Just take as much as you want. But I would advise, if you're doing it for the first time, you start with smaller quantities. See how your palate and your stomach embraces it, and yeah, you can continue from there. So I just mix it like this. Add water because of the oats. You have to add the water bit by bit because the excuse me, the oat will swell. And by the way, the oats, I don't just grind them like that. I first of all stir fry it, more like roast it. Oh my goodness, when you roast it, the smell is heavenly. You would think it's popcorn or some nuts or something. So this is how I mix mine, with just water, and I put honey to taste. But on its own like this, it's already sweet because of the dates. Okay, because of the dates I put it, like it's already sweet. Sometimes I just take a spoonful and I just put it in my mouth and just lick it. It's already sweet like this. But you can have it this way. You can put honey. It's entirely up to you. I play with either of them. That way, I don't get bored. And you don't have to take this every day. But if you want to take it every day, it's fine. You can take it like 3-4 times a week. Trust me, it will make a tremendous improvement on your health, your weight, your tummy, your skin, your general health, your sight, you name it, your brain. So yes, guys, try incorporating this into your diet. So with that, guys, I say thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you're yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe. I say you are going to learn a lot from this channel. Trust me. Okay, you're gonna learn a lot. I'm not just all about the skin, I'm about health itself. When health is okay and top notch, your skin will be child's play. Trust me on this. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.